not only this single pair of metanephridia, but certain clusters of peritoneal cells. Peritoneum is coelomic epithelium. Hope you are familiar with that term, coelomic epithelium. That's a layer of epithelium that lines the gut. Okay, so that peritoneal cells called free and fixed urns you can find in this picture. So that's such cells are also associated with the removal of nitrogenous waste from the body. Removal of nitrogenous waste ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് excretory organs എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So in addition to metanephridia, these urns help in excretion. Then the mouth is surrounded by tentacles. അവരുടെ മൗത്തിന് ചുറ്റിയിട്ട് tentacles കാണാം. Tentaclesൻ്റെ ഒരു ഫോൾഡ് പോലെ it surrounds the mouth. Then introvert is covered by papilla. Papilla means small projections ഉണ്ട് ഇൻട്രോവേർട്ടിനെ കവർ ചെയ്തിട്ട്. Then anus is also located at the anterior end of the trunk. So mouth കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് they have this ബാക്കി പോർഷൻസ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. Then esophagus, then they have a twisted this intestine ആണത്. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് റെക്ടം ആൻഡ് ഏനസ് എത്തുമ്പോഴേക്കും ട്രങ്കിൻ്റെ ആൻറ്റീരിയർ റീജൻ തന്നെ എത്തി. ഇത് കോയിൽ ചെയ്ത് തിരിച്ചെത്തുമ്പോഴേക്കും അവിടെ എത്തിക്കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഓക്കെ, then there is a ciliated groove from mouth to this rectal diverticulum. അപ്പോൾ റെക്ടത്തിൻ്റെ ആ റീജൻ വരെ ഒരു ciliated groove ഉണ്ടാവും. Then they ingest sand. I have already explained what is a deposit feeder. അപ്പോൾ they ingest or they feed on or engulf sand and silt, and from that they take the organic matter. Then during daytime they remain in the burrows because they always avoid light. Light avarku disturbance aanu. So when there is light, they retreat or they go back to their burrows. Then sexes are separate. External fertilization and development is indirect with Trochophore larva. Whereas in the previous minor phyla, it was hermaphrodite organism. Internal fertilization and development was direct. That was with Sagitta. But in this example, Sipunculus, it is just the opposite. Sexes are separate, external fertilization and indirect development with Trochophore larva. And so with this, we are winding up our sessions for the semester 2, and a test paper or our MCQ series 4 will be conducted on Saturday. Study well. I wish you all good luck for your exams. Thank you.